Okay, so they are going to sing for you since you are celebrating with this 2 a.m. special day tomorrow. And so they are especially going to sing for this for you, IMM fan over here.
Okay, exclusively Singapore. Are you guys ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 줄 수 있는 밖에 없다. 가진 거라고 IM밖에 없다. 이게 널 웃게 만들 수 있을지 모르지만 그래도 불러